It's Crystal Dawn, guys. This is where we're going to be fishing from today. So hopefully everybody enjoys it and we're going to have some fun.
My name's Lori.
Hey YouTubers, it's NASCAR Man 3345. We are here Wednesday.
My name's Lloyd.
And we are here fishing on Jeanette Pier. So I'm going to leave this to my fellow counterpart where she's going to show everybody fishing. You can just look at the camera. Hi guys. Hey, this is my
stand here and look pretty.
This is Billy, and we're going to just jam and we're going to see rocking with the fishing.
Man fishing.
I kill fish by catching them by the belly. But yeah, we are out and in the water.
Here, show how not to catch a fish. show how fishing doesn't happen.
Yeah, I saw that. I did see that one. Close to that one.
Aren't you supposed to talk to people?
Yeah, we're talking to people.
Okay.
But we're just trying to get things fishing, you know with friends.
Because you don't want me to start talking.
You can talk.
I said all the masturbator jokes I can say for one day, probably.
Hey.
That worked that out.
Come on, can we see some action shots?
You really want to do that?
do something interesting.
Hold on, stop. Foul hook, I'm throwing you over.
Yeah, you got one. Here's your action shot.
Him, you're going in the water. All right, you get to stay. You get to stay. You got him in the mouth.
Smallest fish of the day award.
I had one smaller than that. Really?
All right, I'm terrified to touch it though. Terrified to touch it.
We got another one.
Don't touch me, I got a fish.
Where is it?
You want some lucky worms?
It's gone?
Oh my God. I'll give you another card. That one's got too many holes in it.
This is awesome, guys. Say hi. You're going to be on YouTube.
Well, he just got a 5-pointer and a 6-pointer.
That's what we do, guys.
2 1s, 3 1s, 4 2s.
This is how you fish, guys. But Rhode Island's still rocking it. My boy Jamie over here kicking butt.
This
got another fish over here.
Gary. This is Fisherman Bob.
Fisherman Bob.
All right.
NASCAR Man 3245. We're rocking it all the time. This is how we fish. Nope, I got my own YouTube channel.
We're not Fisherman Bob. We're Snagger Bob.
Snagger Bob, yeah. I'll rip it.
Snagger Derek.
Derek
the Snagger.
There you go, Snagger. There you go, Snagger.
Well, we won't tell anyone. That's when he caught most of the fish in the belly or up in the gill. He ain't got that one. He caught in the mouth. That's the second one out. All the fish was out.
Spit out the worm.
You got to do it.
This we had that Donna over there. She was kissing the squid. I gotta kiss these ugly things up. She did. I had her kissing the squid.
Guys, we're still fishing out here. I know, Tommy, you're going to see this. This is what you wanted to do. Next time we come down, I want you to be my guide, buddy.
What the heck?
Oh, what was that?
What's that all about?
That was wrong.
Yeah, I'm standing right here.
Jeez, at least wait until he's out of earshot.
Yeah, this is how we do it, everybody. You know, we're going to rock this. We're going to show
$15 rides all day. Pretty good.
So we have a couple of things going on tonight, guys. We have an awards banquet, which I don't know what happened yesterday, so we don't know. How many people did we have, Lori, that totally fished?
3, 6, 7, 8, was it 16?
16, no, for us, but then you had 400.
Oh,
Bring that
yeah.
over here. Was that Tommy or whatever you're talking to?
Tommy.
Yeah, hey Tommy, you're missing this right now, buddy.
Tommy fishes freshwater. That is,
Yeah.
those are bloodworms, buddy.
Blood.
$1 a piece.
$1 a piece.
So they cut them into pieces.
Wow.
Blood. This is blood poop.
Blood poop.
This is,
But yeah, definitely.
yeah, they call these
This is awesome.
broken rectum. That's what they call these.
Guys, we got a great video that's gonna be coming out tonight. My boy Billy
Yeah.
is gonna be making his own YouTube channel. I'm gonna be helping him out.
Oh,
It's
no.
conspiracy theories with Billy.
Yep, I'll be conspiracy.
I thought his name was John.
Billy John.
Billy John. So we got a great video for you. We're gonna download it later on. I want you guys all to hit it up and really, if we make it viral,
Promote it. I'll make T-shirts.
yeah.
Viral? Is
Exactly.
that something the doctor needs to talk about?
Yeah.
No, this is, and Miss Lori, you were there yesterday, so I don't know if you heard the whole story about the video, but when you get to see it, guys, you're gonna really appreciate it.
So this is a properly baited hook. I went right up the ass of that bloodworm, and you push all this shit right out the mouth of that bloodworm, and that's go bloodworm go. Properly baited hook.
Probably baited hook. Here we go. We're fishing.
You feel a little dirty just filming this, don't you?
I had no idea.
Here's the sad part, guys. Yesterday, we went fishing on the Crystal Dawn, which became the Crystal Shit Dawn. But then, the Monday when we came down, you'll see some of the video of what we were doing. But it's Lori's favorite place. It's called Titty Hawk, not Kitty Hawk. So you guys will appreciate that. Some of that video, you'll really get a kick out of that. But
That was an earwig. That one.
you know, guys, you know, I enjoy doing these videos, guys, for you. I've been on hiatus for a month, so I'm coming back with a vengeance.
Can you still video his legs to prove he's got pants on? Because he's accused of not wearing pants a lot.
Yeah, how about some of my
There you
videos?
go. No, that's too much now. Come on. You're getting personal now.
See, we're being nice.
Can we see the front of your shirt?
Huh?
The VIP. These are the shirts that they made.
Look at this, barely used.
That was yesterday, the barely used one.
Yesterday was the prize that came back with no holes in it.
No holes in it. And pride of Rhode Island, catching nothing. We got about 30 minutes left to go fishing. Then we got to go back to the hotel.
And no, we're not taking any videos from the hotel room.
and the jacuzzi
That's
and
right.
the pool. we're gonna stay away from those because Lori won't show up for one. So we're gonna leave those alone.
Esther and I are having cocktails in the room.
Who's what?
Esther and I
Esther.
are having a cocktail.
Really?
Yeah.
The room type cocktail?
What is there?
You mean you're hosting a party? Is that what you mean?
Her frozen mudslides. Told you 30 minutes left, guys.
Good God.
Maybe give it to Michaela's dog. If the dog got worms. Yeah. Lori, you better become friends with me on
As soon as we can figure
YouTube.
that out, you have to just show me.
It's funny. Guys, I didn't get to go any thrifting this time because Lori was going to come with me. She's a big
So
thrifter.
disappointed.
She's from Connecticut, so there's a guy in Connecticut, I think that her husband and her should go and meet. His name's Steve Rakin. He's a big reseller.
That's how I do it.
And he lives in Connecticut, and he's just funny. But we're going to try to get together with Lori and her husband Charlie, and we're going to take them to the Goodwill bins
When?
soon.
You gonna start picking? Huh?
When you go to the
You don't have
Goodwill,
to start picking right now behind camera. Pick later.
she doesn't know what the Goodwill bins guys are, so we're going to go out to Connecticut and meet up with them. We're going to take them to the Goodwill bins, and she's going to fall into the bins.
Picking and a grinning. That's what it's gonna be.
She's not going to get fish hooked, that's the problem.
Are you gonna start doing that?
What's this action he's doing right here? Is that the Kati jig?
What?
It's a Kati jig.
Kati
What you're
jig.
doing right now is
Yeah.
a Kati jig.
Yeah.
I thought he was having like spasms or something. I didn't know what that's called.
Just sitting there waiting for the fish so I can rip through their bellies. What? Hey, Billy, you're gonna be on YouTube. Say it again.
Say hi.
Hello!
Hello!
He's quite a smooth talker, that Bill.
Hey, we got some lemon meringue pie and put it on Billy's face tonight to do. Hello!
Oh man, you gotta do that.
Really? Oh, good.
She's doing good right now.
Jamie's almost got a full page.
Really?
Yeah, he got like no card left.
Fish that guy. He was the one we had trouble keeping.
Yeah.
Can I shut this off now?
No,
please?
this is
Just
Derek's
hit the
ear
red
right here.
button.
Did you
Bye.
get a good
Say
shot of
goodbye,
his ear?
everybody.
Bye, guys.
Yeah.
Bye,
Wait,
crazy mate.
turn your face.
That's Derek's ear right there. You turn your head to the right. Yeah. If you didn't get enough of that, there was a worm in there. There was a blood worm in there.